In this tutorial, we will delve into building a CRUD create, read, update, delete application using Laravel 11 step by step. Laravel, renowned as one of the best PHP frameworks globally, offers a plethora of features for web development. Its elegance lies in its model view controller (MVC) architecture, which fosters organized and efficient coding practices. Throughout this tutorial, we'll explore how to perform CRUD operations seamlessly within Laravel, covering the fundamental aspects of data manipulation, creation, reading, updating, and deletion. Leveraging Laravel's powerful eloquent ORM object relational mapping, we'll demonstrate how to interact with the database effortlessly, making the CRUD process a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to architect a Laravel application that seamlessly handles CRUD operations. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with Laravel, this tutorial will provide you with valuable insights and practical knowledge to empower your web development endeavors. So, let's embark on this journey to master Laravel 11 CRUD application development, where simplicity meets robustness and innovation thrives in every line of code. Get ready to elevate your web development skills with Laravel, the PHP framework that continues to redefine the standards of modern web development. Prior to beginning this tutorial, it's essential to learn how to install Laravel 11. You can read the tutorial to install Laravel 11 in the link of this video description if you have not yet known. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe with the notification so you never miss a lesson. You also get the link to the tutorial in the video description. So in the next video, we will get some more about step by step how to develop a Laravel 11 CRUD. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you at the next one.